internal medicine group at Pfizer really covers broad disease areas. And so our group looks for medicines that impact organs such as the kidney, the heart, the liver. So I think it's a broad area of biology with a lot of unmet need in diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, kidney disease, etc.
My role at Pfizer is to oversee discovery research and early clinical development for all of our cancer programs. We know we need to work together as teams if we're going to make an important impact on patients and their quality of life, and to deliver breakthrough medicines that can impact as many patients as possible.
Age-related illness is very common. As people get older, they have a higher incidence of hypertension. They're more likely to be a little bit overweight. They also may have diabetes, so these organs get progressively worse with time.
When we think about how patients of different ages might respond differently to cancer treatments, there are a few things to consider. So, for example, older patients with weakened immune systems may not be able to fight off infections that often arise as a result of certain chemotherapy drugs. Or patients who are older may be more frail and more susceptible to the side effects associated with many cancer drugs, may not be able to tolerate them at the same doses as a younger patient.
I think advancements in the field of diabetes research as well as obesity research that we're doing here at Pfizer will improve the quality of life, because we know if you lose 10 to 15% of your body weight and your glucose is under control, then you have a much more healthy lifespan. And we know that really pushes down the road your incidence of potential cardiovascular renal disease. So we think if we can intervene, have an impactful effect on blood sugar as well as on weight, that will improve the quality of life.
It's clear that this is an important problem that's probably not getting quite the attention that it deserves, and that we do need to find better ways to develop experimental models to test our hypotheses about therapeutic mechanisms, incorporating the role of aging and aging biology in those models. And we also need to be thoughtful about how we develop our clinical trials to make sure that we have representative groups from younger and older patient populations reflecting what we'll see in the real world when we bring our medicines to patients broadly.